Yenengada. Somali President Mohamed Abdullahi Mohamed hails Ethiopia's support to neighboring countries under AMISOM. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Hailemariam Desalegn reassured Ethiopia's renewed commitment to ensure peace and security in Somalia. The President has conferred with Ethiopian Prime Minister Hailemariam Desalegn on a number of bilateral issues featuring peace and economic integration. Shafar has the details.
Ethiopia and Somalia have enjoyed deep-rooted ties dating back to centuries. In a bid to further the cordial friendship, the new Somali President, Mohamed Abdullahi Mohamed, has paid a state visit to Ethiopia. Ethiopian Prime Minister Hailemariam Desalegn and the President have conferred on a number of issues. Their discussion featured peace and security as well as economic integration, among others. In a press briefing after their talks, the Premier reassured Ethiopia's renewed commitment to ensure peace and security in Somalia.
The sole responsibility is that of the federal government of Somalia, but we, the regional countries, can support this initiative. So in this regard, Ethiopia is keen to work very closely with the federal government of Somalia in fighting terrorism and extremism, and specifically Al-Shabaab and its stooges.
The Premier called on economic integration as a means to put an end to poverty.
The whole problem is complicated because there is poverty. So we have to fight poverty with our tooth and nail. In this regard, we wanted to cooperate on areas like education, basically economic integration and economic development, and having a free flow of people and transport of people and goods and services between our two countries. So we decided that we will have transportation mechanisms that help our people, integrate much more by free flow of people between our two countries.
Somali President Mohamed Abdullahi Mohamed appreciated Ethiopia's support to neighboring countries under AMISOM. He went on to say that the country's efforts will come to fruition soon.
We have enough support from our neighboring countries, including Kenya and Ethiopia, as well as other two contributory countries called AMISOM. They have been working with the government of Somalia side by side and die only one cause: to bring peace and stability in Somalia. And we really appreciate all their sacrifices they gave to Somalia, and their sacrifice will not go in vain.
The two sides also dwelt on other issues, including their foreign policy, monetary system, and immigration.
The Prime Minister and I will work together very closely. His government and my government will have direct line to communicate in any issues that pertaining to our foreign policy. The monetary system also lie on the federal government, which definitely the federal government is in control when it comes for monetary system of the country, as well as immigrations.
The two leaders have also reached agreements on other issues aimed at bringing about a new chapter for